Good morning, children. Now I will be teaching you the social sciences subject. In the social science, in the previous video, we have discussed about the Christianity and Islam lesson, right? These two religions are the major religions of the world, right? I said you this one also in the last class. In that, we studied detailingly about the Jesus Christ and Christianity, how it has been built, who is the founder of Christianity, and the life and teachings of the Jesus Christ, and how the disciple of Jesus Christ has been spreaded the Christianity all over the world. What we call the disciples of Jesus Christ. There were 12 disciples for the Jesus Christ, right? For them we call what? Apostles. We call them apostles. Next, the contribution of the Christianity, that what they have contributed to the nation. Next, the sect in Christianity. The groups are groups in Christianity, which are those the Catholics, Protestant. Everything we discussed in the last class detailingly, right? That much is about the Jesus Christ and Christianity. Next, we will study about the Islam, founded by the Muhammad Paigambar. So, children, how the Christianity is founded at first in the Palestine. As the same here also, Islam is originated in the Saudi Arabia or Saudi Arabia. It is a peninsula of West Asia. Peninsula andre gottalva? The land which is covered by three side of water and one side of land is called what? Peninsula. So basically this Arabia is the desert area which is not suitable for the agricultural purposes. Desert area is always hot region, and also the fertility land we cannot find anywhere, right? So that is why it is not agricultural area, because it is a desert place. In olden days the agricultural purpose is very important for the people to lead their life, right? So that the people of Arabia migrated from the place to place for the fertility land and settled the places where the water is available. Such places were Makkah and Medina. Why the people have migrated from the place to place? Migrated means shifting from place to place. That is we call what? Migrated. So why the people moved from the desert area means there the availability of water was less. For the agricultural purposes water is important, right? The irrigation is important. Irrigation ಅಂದರೆ ನೀರಾವರಿ ಸೌಲಭ್ಯ ಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ they moved from place to place because in the desert places they get the less water. For that is why they shifted their place and they settled in the Makkah and Medina. Here before the Islam was introduced in Makkah and Medina, the people were worshipping many objects in nature. They were the idol worshippers. That means the stone, trees, streams were worshipped as a god by the Makkah and Medina people before. In Makkah itself, the stone of Kaaba and other 360 idols were worshipped by them. This is the most important religious place for the Muslim religion. So this much is about the condition of Makkah and Medina before the arrival of Islam or before the arrival of Muhammad Paigambar. So children, for every religion there must be the founder, right? For every religion, for example, for Jesus Christ found the Christianity, the same. The founder of Islam is the Muhammad Paigambar. So when was this Muhammad Paigambar was born? He born in the 570 CE at Makkah. So the birthplace of Muhammad Paigambar was Makkah only, right? Then who are the parents of Muhammad Paigambar? Abdullah and Amina. Father Abdullah, mother Amina. So underline those names. Unfortunately, Muhammad Paigambar lost his father Abdullah when he was a child. It means he grown up as an orphan only. After the death of his father, he brought up by his uncle. Next, children, when Muhammad Paigambar grown up, he started visiting the different places of Arabia like Makkah and Syria for the business purposes. At that time, what has happened? When he went to Makkah for the business purpose, he met with a rich widow woman by the name of Khadija. Underline. Widow woman means the woman whose husband is already died. In Kannada, we say vidave. So in Makkah only Muhammad Paigambar met a widow woman Khadija, and that Khadija only gave a job for the Muhammad Paigambar. It means he employed by her only. Moreover, he married to Khadija itself. Afterwards, they had 2 sons and the 4 daughters. So this much is about the life of the Muhammad Paigambar. Next, how the people have been attracted by Muhammad Paigambar. When he go for the business, he impressed by the simplicity and monotheism of the Christianity and Jewish religion. Children, monotheism means believing in one God. We call what monotheism. Christians ಮತ್ತು ಯಹೂದಾಸ್, ಜಿವಿಶ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ ರಿಲಿಜನ್. ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಥರನೇ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂನಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಿಲೀವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಗಾಡ್, ಈ ಕಾಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮೊನೋಥಿಸಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಪೈಗಂಬರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಅರೇಬಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಪೋಲೋಥಿಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅರಬ್ಸ್. ಸಿ, ಪೋಲೋಥಿಸಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೊನೋಥಿಸಮ್. ಪೋಲೋಥಿಸಮ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಲವು ದೇವತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಆರಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ. Next, the Muhammad Paigambar used to meditate deeply for the long hours on the Mount Hira underline to find the remedies for the social and the cultural shortcoming of Arab people. See children, Muhammad Paigambar used to sit for the meditation on which mountain? The Mount Hira. For what purpose he sit there and do meditation means to ಸರ್ಚ್ ದಿ ರೆಮಿಡೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ದೋಷಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ನ್ಯೂನ್ಯತೆಗಳು. ಆ ಒಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ಗೆ ರೆಮಿಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಒನ್ ಡೇ he has been enlightened by his meditation and afterwards the people of the Arab have started calling him the messenger of the God. After slowly and gradually who has been attracted by Muhammad Paigambar have become as a disciple, ಅಥವಾ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಪೈಗಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ಬರು ಶಿಷ್ಯರು ಕೂಡ ಆದರು. So children, here Muhammad Paigambar sit for the meditation means he used to share his messages towards his disciples, means everything has been collected in one book, that is we call what Quran, which is the holy book of the Muslim religion. Next, in Makkah only the Muhammad Paigambar was preaching his knowledge. That time he opposed the polytheism. Polytheism ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹುದೈವಗಳನ್ನು ಆರಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹದ್ದು. That is why the people of Makkah have started opposing Muhammad Paigambar. So that Muhammad Paigambar traveled from Makkah to Medina. So this travel is recognized by the Muslims as a Hijra era. After that Medina people have welcomed Muhammad Paigambar lovingly. Then after few days Makkah and Medina had a war. In that war Medina people have defeated Makkah people. After that Makkah people also welcomed the preachings of Muhammad Paigambar. At last Muhammad Paigambar had died in CE 632. CE means common era. Next children, teachings of Islam. As we studied about the teachings of Jesus Christ, we study the teachings of Islam also. Which are those teachings? What is the meaning of Islam and Muslim? Islam means submissions of oneself before the God and Muslim means the followers of God. Islam ಅಂದರೆ ದೇವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹದ್ದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರು? ದೇವರನ್ನು ಅನುಸರಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವಂಥವ್ರು. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್? ಗಾಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್. ಅ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಫ್ ಟು ವಿನ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಾಡ್. ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ನೋ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೇ 5 times daily by facing towards Kaaba. Is not so? So Paigambar teaches to win the heart of the God. The only prayer is enough. Next, second one should lead an honest and principled life and should keep away from all the bad habits. As all the religion says, here the Muhammad Paigambar also teaches to be honest and also lead a principled life and also by not doing the bad things and bad habits. ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್ನು ಇದೇ ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಪೈಗಂಬರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪುವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೀಕ್. ವುಮೆನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಬಡ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕರುಣೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಕಂಪ್ಯಾಷನ್, ಕರುಣೆ. These are the teachings of Islam. Next, what are the rituals of Islam? Rituals means followings or acharane anta kariತೀವಿ. So here there are 5 important rituals: kalima, namaz, roza, zakat, hajj. Now let's deal with one by one. Kalima means believing in one God. Muhammad is his prophet. Next, the messenger. Prophet means messenger. Namaz means a prayer for Allah for 5 times a day by facing towards the Kaaba. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ರೋಜಾ, ಫಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಮಂತ್ ಫಾರ್ ರಂಜಾನ್ ಮಂತಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, ಆ ಒಂದು ರಿಚುವಲ್ನ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಝಕಾತ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಡೆಫಿನೈಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸ್ಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಟು ದ ಪುವರ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನಮಗೆ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಪಾಲು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪುವರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಜ್, ಪಿಲ್ಗ್ರಿಮೇಜ್ ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಾ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಒಂದು ಸಲನಾದರೂ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಾ ಯಾತ್ರೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರಿಚುವಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ. Next, the sixth page, expansion of the Islam. Expansion means spreading of Islam. After the death of Muhammad Paigambar, the Caliphs took over the responsibility of promoting Islam. See children, comparatively how the after the death of Jesus Christ, the apostles have been took the responsibility of spreading the Christianity. The same here also, the Khalifas have been take the responsibility of spreading the Islam after the death of Muhammad Paigambar. ಖಲೀಫ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ದ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಉತ್ತರಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಮಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಪೈಗಂಬರ್ ಡೆತ್ ದ ಸಕ್ಸೆಸರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಖಲೀಫಾಸ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡೆಡ್ ದ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೋತಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಸ್ಲಾಂ ರಿಲಿಜಿಯನ್? Here there are the points: simplicity of Islam, efforts of Caliphs to spread the Islam. Next, devotion of Muslims ಅಥವಾ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ, ಡಿವೋಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ರಿಲಿಜಿಯಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ಸ್. ಕಂಡಸಿ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಲೋತಿಸಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ರೀಸನಿಂದ ಜನಗಳು ಮೊನೋತಿಸಮ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರು ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಇವ್ರ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನು? ಮೆಡಿಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀಸಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಡಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಅದರ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಮೆಡಿಷನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ರು. ನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋನಮಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜೋಗ್ರಫಿ. ಆಸ್ಟ್ರೋನಮಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಖಗೋಳಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ. Next, sect in Islam. Which are the sect? In other religion also we find many sect. The same in the Muslim also there are important sect like Shia and Sunni. These are the important sect. Next, one more important thing to conclude dears, ಖಲೀಫಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? ಸಕ್ಸೆಸರ್ಸ್. ದ ಮಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಪೈಗಂಬರ್ದು ಸಕ್ಸೆಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಖಲೀಫಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಖಲೀಫಾ ಯಾರು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅಬೂಬಕರ್. So this much is about this lesson. We will meet you with another video. Thank you.